So guys, I hope you have your seatbelt well fastened because I'm dropping in as a bomb for you. Today we're going to look at how to grow your LinkedIn without going into so much detail, so much bullshit. I'm going to give you the key elements for me that help me grow my LinkedIn to 500 followers to 3,000 followers in less than 2 months. So just to give you a bit of review on my LinkedIn to see that I'm not bullshitting, here's my profile. It's pretty well set up, over 3,000 followers. Here's some of my posts, 70 likes, 37 comments. Anyway, it's not to brag. It's just now that you know that I have valuable content, I'm just going to share it with you. So first of all, I think it's pretty obvious, but just to recap why you should grow your LinkedIn account today. Building an audience, you guys, is the biggest opportunity we have this decade. Think of any successful people in the digital industry. They all have an audience. Also, you will be perceived as an expert in your industry. Imagine someone who's talking always about one topic and he has over like 30,000 followers. Obviously, you're going to think he's an expert. And especially today, social proof is so important. When you see someone has a large audience of people, you always think like, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about, even though you're not even checking his content. This is what you want to do. And it will boost your sales. Even imagine like later down the road, you have in 5 years, you have 10,000 followers. You want to launch your first course. It's going to be so much easier for you to start selling, getting your first sales, that for someone which nobody knows him. And it's totally free. Like guys, it's only taking your time. So why shouldn't you do it? It's so important. So first of all, you want to set up an account. I'm just going to give you like the key elements for you to get a good account. I'm not going to tell you like, oh, you should put your this kind of email. You should put all your work experience. Like everybody knows this. I'm giving you like the really stuff that helped me boost my LinkedIn account. So you want to have your creator mode on. This is a bit like for Instagram. If some of you are like creators on Instagram, you know that you need to switch that shit on. You have it on LinkedIn too. It's here. Basically, this is going to give you all the analytics for your post. So you're going to know like over the months, you can analyze the number of impression, likes, etc. It's pretty good to do some analysis. To be honest, I don't use it that much, but I'm happy to have it when I need to use it. You're going to want to have a custom button. So if you're already having some stuff to sell, you can have a custom like call to action on your profile. Before it was only for your company, now you have it for your profile. This is really useful. I recommend you to put your website, your Calendly, even if you can put some free value, this could be amazing. And then you want to make sure that when people jump into your LinkedIn account, they know straight away what you do. So in order to do that, you're going to use the framework. I help ICP get results in time frame using solution. Here's how it looks without the weird variables. I help startups generate 3.5 times more lead in less than 30 days through cold emailing. Someone jumps on my website, he knows straight away, okay, I'm helping startups get more clients using cold emailing. I want you to do the same for you. Doesn't matter what your industry is, if it's finance, if it's medicine, whatever, I guarantee you can use this, and this is going to make it so much easier for your clients to perceive what you're doing. Now, who are you going to target? I'm giving you like the top of the funnel, and then we're going to niche down to really the practical stuff. So don't worry, I'm just trying to start from the top and then give you all the actionable tips in order to you to get some followers. And I can guarantee if you follow all of this, there is no reason it's impossible that you're not going to grow your LinkedIn audience. So there's 3 targets. You may think this is much, but there is a purpose in this, and you look at the top LinkedIn creators, they do the same. So first of all is your business ICP. Let's say you're a CEO of a marketing agency. Well, you're going to target the people who you want to work with. So this is your short-term direct clients. Then you want to target people with less skills than you, simply because those people will get loads of valuable content reading your stuff. Imagine you're quite good at email marketing. You did a campaign that got you 5 meetings, and someone is reading your post about you getting 20 replies, getting like some new meetings, but he's only starting cold emailing. Like he's going to get so much value from you. And this is your long-term clients. This is your long-term, ICP, because later down the road, if you want to sell a course, those people are going to be able to buy it from you, and it's going to be so much easier for you selling your course when you have like 30,000 followers rather than someone who has no followers at all. Like it's each time you want to do a new project, you want to test something, all those people, they're always going to be there for you and to give you some feedback. It's basically like a hack. And then you're going to target your competitors. You might think, Henri, what the fuck? Like, this is weird. I would like to be the furthest away from my competitors. Actually, no. You're going to see that for your LinkedIn account to grow, especially in the first months, your competitors are going to be your number one friends. You're going to want to find some people in your niche that are doing way better than you, that are making more money, and you're going to comment on these people, and they're going to comment back on you, and you're going to get some visibility. So now, how should you build a successful post? Guys, the hook is the most important. There is two lines before the view more. I'm just going to show you a quick example. So here, let's see a post of a guy. How to send emails that convert 2024 proof. Outbound is getting harder. And now, like when I see this, obviously I want to hit see more. So those first two sentences, they are very, very important. And the only problem is that the see more button, depending if you're on mobile, on computer, if you put an image, it changes. So I've got this website. You guys can copy it. It's actually a guy in LinkedIn who made it. Give me too simple. Yeah. So here you got this website, and it's going to give you a mobile iPad thing, and like how I got 20 replies last month using a very simple process. So here you see where the see more gets, and this is really good for you to create your post. So on mobile it's here, iPad is here, and here. Shit. Okay, 2 seconds. Yeah, so you see, phone with no image, you need 3 sentences. So you need to take this into account. And guys, this is so important. Like, you can create an amazing post if you don't know where the view more is getting. It's basically you're throwing your post to the trash. So guys, check out this website, breakcold.com. It's honestly, it's fantastic. So you want to make sure you have a good hook, and actually you want to share the type of content you're going to do depending on your audience. So you're going to share success stories, you're going to share some failures, and you're going to share a lot of value. I can guarantee the more value you put into your post, the more value like the people who read your post will get, the more your post is going to blow up. Always think, what's in it for my audience. Always think that if you didn't know yourself, if you didn't know your post, if you put yourself into the head of someone who's going to read your post, are you getting some actual value? Would you like your post? This is very important. And that's why you want to talk for beginners. Like, the best post for me is people who manage to take a very, very complicated topic and who manage to make it like very simple. Think of people like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos. They always like have complicated stuff to talk about, but they always talk as if you were talking for like 3 years old children. This is going to help you make some amazing posts. Now let's get into the actionable guidelines. So number 1, you're going to have to post every day just to get good at it. It's like a skill. Even though I showed you all the value there, it's like anything, you need to practice. And the better way for me to do it is the hammer way. Even though you think like, oh yeah, my post is going to be shit at the beginning and I should be saving for later. No, like guys, the best way for you to start getting some knowledge, some feedback is to post every day. I don't care if you're ruining some opportunities, because like for me, when I started, I thought like, yeah, I already know how to do amazing posts, and I don't want to drop those amazing posts at the beginning because no one knows me and then I'm just burning. So the best way to you to get good at the task is to be to do it at repetition. So I want you to schedule everything on the Sunday for each day, and then it's gonna post automatically each single day. So guys, today is Saturday. Look, tomorrow morning I'm just gonna show you what I'll be doing. I go on Notion. I have this Notion template this is for all my stuff, but I've got one platform that is LinkedIn right here. I put all my posts, open it, and then I just start to write them. Blah blah blah. All my 7 posts are on Notion. Then I go back to LinkedIn and I just schedule them each one by one. I put it, so when do you want to schedule it? Boom, boom, boom. And I do that for every single day of the week. And this is just it's gonna take me like 30 minutes on the Sunday to schedule all my posts for the week, and it's just gonna save a lot of time. I don't want you to maybe like to post, like to actually write those shit every day. It's gonna take you a lot of time. Yeah, so this is the best way to do some volume without taking too much time. Also, you want to vary the type of content from what I've said, and also for your audience. So Monday could be like for your, the people with less skills than you're going to teach. Tuesday is going to be success story for your short-term audience, which is people who you want to work with. Wednesday is going to be inspirational post, and you're going to see like this is going to combine all your sort of audience. So it's really a good one to do. And you want to do that for each week, each day of the week. And like I said, like if there's one thing to remember, the more value you're going to share in your post, the more it's gonna blow up, as long as you follow the right structure. And also, which is super, super important, so I hope you're still there, is that you need to publish at least 5 comments in your niche every day. Because guys, at the moment, I'm going to be honest with you, 80% of people interacting with my posts are my competitors, and it's going to be the same for you. I'm just going to show you, view my profile. Let's take one of my posts, go under, and then all of these people, B2B lead generation, B2B outbound, selling some shit using cold email, CEO at Cold IQ, sales tool. Guys, all these people are basically, we're chasing the same clients, but it blows up because I'm sharing some value for them. So don't think like, you shouldn't compete with people in the same business as you. These are going to be your biggest ally when starting your business. So guys, I hope you had a lot of value in your content. I hope also you're going to take this value and start writing some LinkedIn posts starting tomorrow. And yeah, try this, give it 30, 60 days, and I can guarantee if you haven't got at least 100 followers from doing this, then I'm bullshit.